Welcome to World Options Australia. I'm Jessica, your instructor here on the Knowledge Hub. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to add and cancel an insurance through the World Options Australia portal. Let's dive in. After logging into the portal, you can obtain a quote for your shipment by entering the from and to addresses, the weight and dimensions of your shipment, selecting pickup and delivery services, and providing any additional details. Clicking on quote will direct you to a page displaying a list of available carriers. When you're at the page displaying the list of carriers to choose from, choose the service and carrier that best suits your needs by clicking on Book Now. You'll be directed to the Export Domestic page to finalize your shipment details. You can select a contact from your address book or enter the details manually. Include the company name, contact name, address, postal code, phone number, and email. Repeat the same process for the delivery address. Click on Save to Contacts to store these details or select PO Box Delivery or Residential based on the shipment type. Under Package Type, choose a package type that corresponds to the items you're shipping. Under Customer Reference, enter the customer reference number and verify that your package content matches the selected package type. Kindly note that an insurance policy typically covers machinery, generators, molds, vehicle panels, coffee machines, vehicles, motorcycles, boats, and general machinery spare parts. The excluded items are currency, precious metals, jewelry, art, paintings, antiques, fragile goods, temperature-controlled items, live plants, animals and flowers, cigarettes, and tobacco products. The dangerous goods that will not be covered are flammable liquids and gases, corrosives, oxygen, infectious substances, oxidizing materials, toxic peroxides, flammable solids, magnetized materials. After selecting Yes for insurance, you'll need to select the appropriate group for your shipment. Provide a detailed description. Fill in the commodity description in the special instructions printed on the TNT label section. Enter the value of the goods you're shipping. Most importantly, please read the ship's safety terms and the policy wording and claims documents. Now, click on Get Insurance Quote to view the cost. If you agree with the cost, click Yes to continue. You'll be redirected to the collection page to verify shipment and insurance details. Select your preferred drop-off and pick-up options, date, time, and location. Please acknowledge the terms and conditions and click Ship to complete the shipment. Finally, click on Click to Print Label to finalize your shipment. Click on View Receipt to view the receipt. You can also view the manifest by clicking on View Manifest. Please note that voiding a shipment cancels the insurance coverage. If you want to cancel only the insurance while keeping the shipment active, click on Tracking History. You'll be redirected to the Shipment History page. Select the tracking number from the drop-down and enter the consignment number. The shipment will show up below. Click on More to cancel the insurance policy. To void the shipment, click on Void and click on Yes. Congratulations, you have now learned how to effectively manage insurance while making a shipment through the World Options Australia portal. Thank you for following this guide. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to visit our website. Thank you.